Yo, Prince! Saan ka punta? To the moon. Road trip. Brum, brum. Skirt, skirt. Happy Mother's Day po. Thank you, anak. Thank you, anak. Thank you, anak. Boy, tara na. Where are we going? Tumayo ka na. Di pa? Hindi pa. Yeah! Happy Mother's Day! Thank you. Hindi. Nasa Manila ako kahapon lang. Pero, it's like for a few minutes lang. Kuya Top From. Kuya! Oh my God, I love that. Top From, hindi ko alam. I think kapatid, for my kapatid lang to. Sniff your bangs? Oh my gosh, magkukonsyos tuloy ako dito. Hula ko, aalis to. Hindi talaga. Happy Mother's Day daw sa inyong lahat. Happy Mother's Day. Anong dinner na eh? Anong gusto nyo? Sinigang? Gusto ko kasi sinigang eh. Sayang. Mustasid. Gutom. Di pa ako kumain eh. Actually, yun na nga eh. Aga ko mag-live because aalis ako tomorrow. Maaga. Sa bahay. Like mga 5 a.m. So, dapat matutulog ako ng maaga. Gets nyo ba? Happy Mother's Day po. Happy Mother's Day din sa inyo. Thank you, guys. Here's Mommy Sid for y'all. Matutulog ba to na maaga, guys? Parang hindi man eh. Yan yung iniisip ko din. Feel ko hindi ko kaya matulog na maaga. Hindi ko alam if mag-ML pa ako eh. Gusto ko mag-ML, namimiss ko na yung squad ko eh. Ka-sweet naman. Oo, taga-IPSJ ako dati. Paano mo nalaman? How do you know? Sino ka ba? You cannot play later pala. Tara, Crossfire. Wala eh. Wala akong Crossfire. Medyo ako. Hindi pa PC game yon. Yes, namimiss ko na yung squad car seedlings. Tawag namin dyan. Joke! Ang aga na nakapambihis na. Uy, hindi man. Naka-jacket lang ako kasi ano ba yung suot ko? Alam niyo yung parang duster? Duster na naman. Lagi na lang ako naka-duster dito sa bahay. Syempre, para comfy. You know? Oh, hi, Miko! Mag-ipon bago magligaw or mag-invest muna unahin? Ano daw? Ano maganda? Mag-ipon bago manligaw or mag-invest muna unahin? Unahin yung alin? Hi, te! Hi, Bumbayo ng Buti naka-silent live, walang sound trip. Tinatamad ako mag-setup eh. Anong accent yan, ate? Hindi ko alam eh. Judgmental spotted! Mag-saving daw, sabi ni Miko, oh. Saving ba? Oh, feel ko much better pag mag-save ka eh. What if on the spot ka nanligaw tapos wala ka palang pera? I mean, I get it. It's okay if wala ka naman pera, pero it takes work to ligaw. You need to be there. You need to buy food. You need to buy flowers. Or kahit hindi naman buy. Kahit yung handmade chena. Think of other ways to ligaw. Sinashare ko lang. Happy Mother's Day kay tita. Thank you, guys. Thank you. I love you, guys. Asan na yung mga flowers ko? Kailangan ba pa man ng ligaw? Depende sa tao. Ako, gusto ko pag nanliligaw sila. Pero gusto ko yung traditional. You remind me of someone. Who? Let me guess. Brigada. Huwag kang magpa-cute eh. Ganon ba? Hindi naman ako nagpapa-cute. Sidra. Hi, Carl Porch. Gusto mo harana? Yeah, why not? Pag maganda yung boses. Pag hindi, I don't know na. Kamukha mo yung ex ko. Sino ba yung ex mo? College ka po ba? Yes, college. Pa-shoutout mama ko. Shoutout daw kay mama ni Lexi. Sadyang cute lang talaga siya. Wow, kabola-bola naman, no? Bola-bola talaga kayo, no? Nakita ko sa comment ko, yung isang comment doon, sabi niya, ba't ang messy ng hair niya everyday? Guys! Parang bago to sa inyo Hindi ba messy yung hair ko everyday because it's my style. It's my style. I don't want super straight kasi mukha akong itlog pag super straight yung buhok ko. Tsaka pag straightened, tingnan nyo. I mean, goods naman siya pero it's not in my style. Share ko lang. Kapag ba, kasi cray-cray, wow. Hindi talaga. Ata. 4th year? No. Dapat 3rd year ako. Sayang Nag-gap year ako for 2 years. So, balik ako sa 1st year. So sad. Gusto ko talaga 3rd year sana. You know, para matchy ako sa mga classmates ko dati. Pero you know, that's life. 10K likes, kantahan mo kami. Hindi wow. Hindi nga ako marunong magkumanta tapos gusto nyo kanta. Sayaw sana English speaking. I went to IPSJ and that's why you look familiar. No way! Maka-classmate kita. Nandito ako sa Philippines. So, takal na yun Mga 5 years old pa lang ako. What do you mean I look familiar? 5 years old ako nung time na yon. Ikaw Grabe yung memory mo. Different kind of memory na yon. 5K likes. Maglaban na po kayo. I already laba Tapos hinang ko na yung clothes ko. Hanggang anong oras ka magla-live? Siguro mga 10, maybe. Para kakain ako mga 10 to 10:30 tapos tulog. Ang galing ng memory niya ni Spider-Man. Sayaw. Gusto niyo talaga sasayaw ako? Tingnan niyo, nag-grow na yung bangs ko. Finally, thank the gods. Kasi, oh my gosh, yung last time talaga ako, hindi siya pantay. 5K likes, sayaw ka po? Ano na lang? Ano ba yung sasayawin ko? College ka na po? Yes, 1st year. Di ka ini-insomnia pag pinitilit mo matutulog na maaga? Hindi ba insomnia? Hindi kayang matulog? 1 million likes si Dradance. Di ba? 10K like, gupit bangs. Hindi! Ano yon? 10K likes, gupit bangs, ano yun? Lala! You look like Alyssa Liu. Oh my God, thank you! Di ba amnesia yon? Hindi talaga amnesia. Amnesia is yung wala ng memory Ano tawag dun Sleep paralysis. I remember na kung bakit ka familiar sa classmate mo, sister ko. Sino ba yung sister mo? Baka kilala ko pala. Ano? Nag-shave ka na ng kilikili, kita kilikili sa isang... Hindi pa ako nag-shave ng kilikili. Talaga, swear to God, hindi ako nag-shave ng kilikili yet. Share ko lang. Guys, all honesty, hindi ako nag-shave ng kilikili yet. Si Jessica? Wait, yo! No way! No way! I think pina-follow ko si Jessica sa Instagram Tamad mo. Wow, hindi naman madami yung kilikili hair ko I-shave ko yun pag i-shave ko na yun. Hoy! It's better with hair. Ethnicity. Asian. I'm Asian. Asian, no? Ethnicity is ganon. Hindi ba? Ako na mag-shave. Ganda ng jacket mo, ma. Thank you, ma. I think ukay to. Feel ko ukay to. Tapos yung ibang damit ko, ukay din. Tapos yung mga ibang damit ko, ukay. And yung isa pang damit ko, ukay. Parang kang aalis mamaya. Hindi ako aalis. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you. Thank you, mga anak. Mga anak ko. Para saan po yung marker? Wala. I'm playing with it lang. Ukay, where? Dito lang sa SF. Ang ganda. Sidra aga mag-live dito lang mapanood MPL. Di quit mo na yung MPL. I mean, quit mo na to. Go there. Wala naman manyakis ata here. Happy Mother's Day, love. Wala pang action? Parang wala Wala pa. Siguro soon. Kailan ka mag-gym? Maybe tomorrow? Ay, hindi. Medyo busy ako tomorrow I need to see Perlin nga, diba? Kulang ako sa tulog niyan. Tingnan nyo. 5K likes and live. Ano yon? Ba't ganon? Hindi. Ano na lang? Galaxy and live. Kaya ko na yon. 5K likes? Ano yon? Fair trade ba yon? How old are you? 19. I know what you're gonna say. Pero you look 30 years old, Sidra. You look like you're 40. You look like you're 50. Thank you. 5 Galaxy and live. Oh, narinig niyo yun. 5 Galaxy and live. 5K likes twice dance. Yung the one's like, I wanna know. I wanna know. What is love? Sorry po, ba't parang trans ka? Sa buhok lang. Thank you. I guess siguro kasi sometimes I wanna look masculine, tapos sometimes I wanna look feminine, so depende lang talaga. I think that's the best thing kasi at least I look fluid. Like there's this fluid, you know? Like I don't look too feminine, I don't look too masculine, I'm right in between. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you! Thank you mga anak ko! Mommy Sid is so happy right now. Oh my gosh, if you were here, I would give you a kiss right now, guys. Blooming face ngayon, Sidra girl. Thank you. Lighting lang yun. Lighting lang. Nostra, ano yun? Astig. But parang tomboy daw ako, boyish. That's because sometimes talaga boyish ako. Guys, and that's true. Because kailan birthday mo? October 14? Yes! No, it's because I can be girly, pero I feel like more comfy ako pag I feel whatever I wanna feel, you know? Yes, mommy, okay. You guys. This is why I love viewers today. I'm so glad it's Mother's Day today. You know, I think I want to hear that one more time. Can I hear it again? Let me hear you call me mommy. I'm joking. I'm joking. Thanks for the heart. Oh, you're such a good boy. Happy Mother's Day, mommy. Let's go. Yeah, another. Thanks for the cat. Mwah, mwah. Ang sweet nyo naman, Ano ba yung kinain nyo today, ah? Being called a good boy daw feels good. Talaga. I know, guys. Ba't ka naka-jacket? Ang init ng panahon ngayon. Oh, thanks for the gift. Oh, here. Mwah. Kasi, naka-pajamas lang ako, naka-duster. E di, if tinanggal ko to, mababan yung live ko. Happy Mother's Day, Nay. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Yes, mommy treat me like a good boy. Andre! Calling out to Andre! This is solid. I like that. Cool mo na. Grabe, but lahat kayo you're calling me mommy. Guys, chill out. Let me tell you. Tingnan nyo, hindi talaga nagsistop yung smile ko sa inyo. Oh my gosh, I cannot with you guys. Stick to mommy comments, guys. Okay, ang sweet nyo naman. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you mga anak ko. Thank you. Happy Father's Day. Thank you mga anak ko. I can be your daddy. I can be your mommy. Come on. Come here. Nawawala mata pag natawa. Totoo. Bad trip nga eh. Anong ulam? Anong gusto mo? I can feed you sinigang. I can feed you kare-kare. I can feed you fried chicken. Cool ng accent nyo. Ikaw nga eh. Cool din. Kinis yung shark. Ay, legit? Skin rin shark mo? Mommy so... Guys. Chill out. Tingnan nyo ah. Tingnan nyo talaga. Okay. You guys... You guys... You're so sweet. You're so sweet. Okay, you can actually bark for me. Invite kita dito sa live. Bark for me right now. Would you actually? Guys, I'm telling you. Ikaw, sample nga, Andre, sample. Are you actually gonna bark in live? Invite kita right now. Siguro magiging great mother to. Eh, di mo sure. Duster supremacy? Totoo. How do you reload an M14? I don't know. Siguro like... I forgot na eh. I think tinatapon nila yung reload. I forgot na eh. Sample daw, Andre. Andre, ready ka na? Invite na kita dito. Magbabark ka na dito. Nice teeth daw. Thank you. Hala, nandito si ano? Hello, bro. Hi, bro. No English? I speak English. Saan ka pinag-ilihi? I don't know yung meaning ng abra ang... Thank you! I know you! Tinetext nga kita, hindi ba? Pucha. Actually, I think hindi pa ako nag-reply eh. Nag-reply ba ako sa'yo? Sorry. Medyo, I forgot na eh. I can bark? You're actually gonna bark? Invite na kita dito. Bark ka na sa akin. You're gonna bark? Magbabark to ha? Magbabark to. Legit. Wait, paano ba mag-invite dito? I don't know how to invite! Wait lang. wait lang. Asan si Prince? Ayan. Okay. Huwag kayo lumabas ng lipstick, okay? Bawal yun. Do not labas lipstick dito sa live ko. Tara na, asan na ba? Who's gonna bark for mommy? Who's gonna bark for mommy? Come on. Ako daw? Eh di wow. Talaga ba? Invite kita dito pag ikaw hindi magbabark niyan, ha? wait lang.
Ed!
Hi! Oh, okay, go. Let me hear it. Wait, one more time.
Ida. Bayan, Sid.
Dalawa pa. Yeah, good boy!
Ayan, nag-bark na ako.
Wait lang. Wait lang. Tatlo pa. Yan. Good boy. O sige, thank you so much, Prince. Next na yung, sino ba yung next aso dito?
Sino yung next aso? Patay na ako dito.
Thank you. Mwah! Here's a kiss. Wait, paano?
Hoy, alis na.
Oh, guys, next na. Sino ba yung magbabark next? Come on, come up. Hi, Dench. Next dog, guys, please, I'm ready to hear you bark. I'm gonna call you guys a good boy, I guess. Okay. Hello? Next na daw. Hello?
Anong trip mo ngayon? Ba't ka nagpapabark?
Kasi it's Mother's Day eh.
Ano?
Mother's Day ngayon.
Yung Mother's Day. Sa mama mo.
Ay, akala mo sa akin.
Bakit? Mother ka na ba?
Don't make me start, bro. Are you gonna bark? Wait. Isa pa. Isa pa.
Yung pusa ko na lang ipabark ko. Saan na ba yun?
Dalawa pa. I need it clear. Di ko narinig eh.
Buti ka ng trip nito. Dito yung mga viewers mo magpapunta. Mag-send kayo ng corgi. Tatawala ko ng madami.
Boy! Good boy! Oh, here. Pets for you. Oh, yan. Oh, dalawa pa. Come on.
Mga
Dalawa.
ginawan chihuahua.
Dalawa pa.
Puti kayo. Dito na yung mga viewers ko. Buisit, magpupuntahan dito. Ayun na.
Good boy!
Ba't
Good
ka
boy!
nandyan, Abra? Ayoko na! Hindi na sila gagi. Nagsisigaro na sila.
Oh, you're such a good boy! Wow! Anong breed daw to? Anong breed? Chihuahua ka ba?
Hindi.
Ano? Corgi? Ba't hindi naman, it doesn't sound like corgi. Isa pa. Dapat yung, parang corgi yung sound. Hindi yung parang chihuahua.
Ano ba yun?
Plus points pag naka-on cam tapos nakaluhod.
Ayoko. Bahala ka dyan.
Joke. Joke.
Sa
Sige,
Mother's Day.
thank you. Next aso na. Move on tayo sa next aso. Next aso, come on up. Yung mga next aso. Please, it's Mother's Day. Mommy wants to find a good dog for tonight. Please be my good e-kittens. Either e-kitten or e-dogs. Okay? So, who wants to be a good boy for me? Come on! Wait lang. Wala ba? Sino na, guys? If you wanna meow, you can meow. If you wanna bark, you can meow. What the freak are you doing? I don't know. Inaano ko lang yung trip nila, ha? Yung trip nila to. Hindi yung trip ko, ha? Trip nila. Kaya, guys, sino na ba? Ikaw na. Satisfaction pag ikaw niyan, hindi naka-on mic, ah. Trip nila. Well, trip mo din eh. Di ba? Hindi talaga. Hello?
Putik. Ako na.
Oh, ano ba yung pusa ka or puso?
I'm a dog.
Aso or pusa nga?
Aso ako.
Anong breed?
I don't even know what kind of dog is it, but it's kind of malalim siya na boses eh.
Okay, ano na lang. Doberman.
Do you wanna hear it?
Sige, let me hear.
Wait lang. Focus ako. Now you hear it. Do you want? Ano?
Sana all may nanay, paano yung mga...
I'm not a good dog. I'm going to bite you.
Galing ah! Magaling. I like this one. Ito yung number 1 favorite barker ko. Favorite aso ko si Satisfaction.
Hindi, yung mama...
You know what? Naging aso pa ako bigla ah.
Oo.
Sino na yung...
Kinuha.
Connect ko na.
Ha?
Next
What?
aso.
What?
Next aso na tayo.
Okay.
Okay, bye doggy. Bye.
Bye.
Oh gosh. Oh my gosh, ano yung trip today? Okay, next aso or pusa. Let me know, ready na ba kayo mag-meow or bark on Mother's Day habang hindi pa 12? Aso lang daw. Pusa po. Next lineup, guys. Next lineup. Dapat introduce nyo yung animal mo, tapos ano ba yung breed. Oo, galing nga ni Satisfaction. Thanks, Shorty. Digital footprint ko na to. Pwede dinosaur? Ay, hindi. Lala talaga, tulog. Thank you for the gifts. Sorry. Hi, honey. Thank you, thank you. Spider po pwede. Hindi, pusa or aso. Come on, guys. Uy, good boy kaya yung mga cats din. Di ka talaga cat lover, no? Come on, guys. Come on, guys. I need a cat. I need a dog who's willing to bark or meow. Oh. Lou, we have 5. Oh, legit. But ang cats, bad ang cats daw. No, but cats are so nice kaya. Pwede kangaroo? No! I don't know what sounds the kangaroo makes, bruh. Nagko-Korean to. Hi, I don't speak Korean. Hi, Sidra. Hi, Saint. So, who's willing to bark and get onto live? Pusang in heat naman dyan, oh. Tiger na lang. What sabi niya, tiger? Rostro ni Papa. Guys, come on. Come on. Thanks for the chicken. Giraffe, Sid. Ano to? Ba't, iba't ibang animals? Di ko na alam. Nabibrain dead na ako dito. Sana hindi to digital footprint, ah. Pag ito niyan, digital footprint ko, paglalabas to in the future, hindi ko na alam. Iiyak na lang ako on the spot. Wow, may half nationality ka? Yes! Sid, sound naman. No, because I wanna have this barking chena going on. I'm not gonna lie. You guys got me hooked. You got me hooked. Especially dun kay, Satisfaction. Magaling si Satisfaction mag-bark. Pusa po, ready ka na ba? Kazumi, invite na ba kita, Kazumi? Pwede sigaw ni Papa. Edi wow! Edi wow! Edi wow! Edi wow! Sample daw. Oh, sample na ba kayo? Happy Mother's Day! Happy Mother's Day! Thank you. Who's Usagi? I only know Usagi from Alice in Borderland. Pusa po. Legit, magsasample ka ba, Kazumi? Invite na kita dito if magsasample ka. Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. Gosh. Invite na yan si Kazumi. Okay. You're already a mother? No, I'm not a mother. Ano lang. Ano ako? Ano ba ako? Wala! Teenager pa lang ako. Plastic daw ngumiti. Talaga ba? Talaga ba? Totoo to, oh. Real smile. Kaya medyo kubit yung ngipin ko sa baba. Iyak ka na lang. You're so early. Ha? Ano kasi, early ako because may lakad ako tomorrow. 5 a.m. Konyo! Yes, konyo ako. Sorry, wala kayong magagawa, guys. Angas ng forma. Thank you. Thank you very much. Kamukha mo si Usagi. If you tell me who she is, maybe we can see. Paano lakad? Lakad? Pang varsity. Hey, Zedra! Hi, Rix! Tagal na. I haven't seen you in a while. Wala na ba? Magpapaban? Wala na ata. I don't know. Wala naman weirdos ata. Usagi from Alice in Borderland? No, I don't look like her. She's so pretty. She's so hot, bro. She's so fine. I can't even stand her, man. She's so fine. Are you wearing a dress? Yeah, I told you naka-duster ako. Naka-duster ako, tapos nag-pants na lang ako, tsaka jacket, kasi baka mababan ako sa live. Early yata live mo today? Oo, kasi matutulog ako mga 11 or 10:30 ako later. Sleeping early. Tapos gigising ako. How's the violation journey? Wala naman so far. I think sanay na ako. Could you speak Arabic? Hirap to ah. Wala na buk bintil kalb. Or, the judge. Tufa. Assalamu alaikum. Wala na ba delulu moments ngayon? Parang wala na, pero kanina lang. They were barking for me and I love that. Next time. If gusto nyo vice versa, I can bark for y'all. May tattoo ka po ba? Yeah, over here lang. Please don't. Syempre, not for free. Ano ba yung akala nyo sa akin? You listen to No Guidance? I don't know eh. Artist ba sila? Sometimes I just listen to songs tapos hindi ko lang alam yung artist. Kasi it depends talaga yung vibes. Like, for example, I just listen to it and I'm like, damn! Bet ko to. Bet ko yung song na to. Kinda like yung, Pero my favorite band ever is The Paper Melody. Never in my entire life have I found a better band than that. Thanks for the gift, Sean! Do you listen to your mom? Lol. Rarely. I feel like sometimes hindi, sometimes oo. Naka-brace ka dati. Yeah, pero di ako nag-retainer kaya bumalik yung teeth ko sa dati. See? Yung teeth ko sa baba, hindi siya pantay. Bunso things talaga. Di ka pa nagsisita sa school for tats. No, kasi I got this tat nung time na wala ako sa school eh. Tsaka medyo hidden siya. Hidden talaga siya. Hindi naman ako nagpo-ponytail lagi, you know. Cute mo, te. Ikaw din. Thanks for the gift, Shan. Tagal, hindi ka na sumasali sa ML, ah. Hindi naman visible. Totoo. Alam ko, pag visible yung tattoo, punta ka lang sa, ano ba yung tawag doon? OCD ata. Thanks for the gifts. Thank you. Thank you. Hoy, thank you. Te, nauumol ako sa'yo. Ano yun? Parang kang si Joy sa Inside Out. Aw, thank you. Pag visible naman, you just gotta put sleeves. Hindi talaga. Pag visible, you can just, go to the, ano ba yung tawag doon? Yung isang, POD, go to the POD, tapos sabihin mo sa kanila, may tattoo ka. Alam ko, isusulat lang nila. Tapos, approved na. Hindi ka nag-aaral sa Pinas? Depende yan sa school, ha? Pero sa school ko, alam ko ganyan siya. May bagyo ba or may bago na? Ang corny naman. Hindi ka nag-aaral sa Pinas? Nasa Pinas ako, guys. Philippines. Philippines for life. Proud Pinoy! Proud Pinoy! Proud Pinoy! But low-key, the government sucks ass, though. Are you a student? Yeah. I'm a student. Sa susunod na lang ako sama, Jinx. Okay, bet. You Kapampangan? Yes, I'm Kapampangan. Kapampangan ka ba? How do you know I'm Kapampangan? Ay, sinabi ko dati, no? Yeah, Kapampangan ako. Are you Willow? Yeah, I'm pansexual, bro. I like anyone. Half ka ba? Yes. Ay, Dana? Dambola? Ay, Dana? Danang bolang! No more arf-arfs? Parang walang. Ayaw nila mag-bark for me eh. Ay, Dana! O, hindi naman ako mababan dito, right? Hindi naman alam ni TikTok. Ata. Hi. Magaling ka ba mag-ML si Sid? Sakto lang. Parang sometimes hindi. Sometimes oo. Depende lang talaga. Pag gutom, hindi. Half ano ka ba? Half yours. Dalawa po ba inner child ng buntis? Ano yon? I don't know. Parang isa lang yung child eh, pag buntis. Except pag may twins sila. Uy, sinungaling kayo. Hinahype niyo talaga ako, no? Di ako super magaling sa ML, guys. Sakto lang. Ulit thumbs up pwede. Okay na ba? I love how monotone you are. Cute. Oh, thank you. Am I monotone? Parang hindi man. Hindi ba yung monotone medyo like, yes. Hindi talaga ako nagkaganon. Polygo bark. Yeah, sino pa yung magbabark dito? Where in Pampanga? Secret. Hindi ko sasabihin. Baka, I cannot say. Pero somewhere near Angeles, I guess, and somewhere near San Fernando. Makabebe daw. Oh, thanks for the gift. Thanks for the gift. Thanks for the gift. PM me for Sidra location. Eh, di wow. Sinungaling to. Di mo nga alam kung saan ako nakatira eh. Lapit eh. Legit, lapit. Yan, baka makikita mo ako na, nakapajamas sa labas. Usually kasi pag lumalabas ako tapos walang lakad, like tambay-tambay lang. Ay, hindi ako taga Makabebe. Sino pa nagsabi taga Makabebe ako? Tomboy or femboy? Both. I'm pansexual. I like anyone. Send mucho matcha na. Yo, talaga! Alam ni Jumpy Jumps. Alam mo talaga, mucho matcha, 25% sugar with extra pearl. Masarap yun. Or, if gusto nyo ng cheaper option, Mang Chaa Thai milk tea with extra pearl. 25% sugar. Sarap yun. Swear to God. Di ko sasabihin, huhulaan nyo lahat ng Pampanga tapos mag-yes and no ako, ganon. Hi, Ate Sid, you seem like you have Arab blood. Yes, I do. I'm half Syrian. Kahit anong mura gawin mo, hindi nakaban. Uy, sinungaling. Sinungaling. Yung mga iba nababan yung mura, like the F word, the B word, the R word. Ano pa ba? I think the N word too. Pasabi, Mother's Day sa mama mo, Sydney. Sige nga, sasabihin ko nga. Ano kaya sasabihin niya? IG rate nga na-restrict. Yun na nga eh. Kaya ayaw ko na mag-IG rate. Baka ma-restrict pa ako dito. Actually, mag-IG rate ba tayo? Sige, IG rate na tayo. Saka na ako. Tulog na yan, parang nakikita ko. Tulog na yan? Malungkot ba ako? Parang hindi man eh. Porket isang second hindi ako nakasmile, malungkot na agad. Ano yun? Patungon da ka na, pantunan da ka na mo. Oh, hindi, wag. Grabe naman pag ikaw niyan. I'm watching you. If bigla na lang, you're gonna look for my location. Ah! Matatakot ako ng konti. Polly, you're up? You're up for barking, Polly? Magbabark ka talaga dito sa live? Hindi nga siya nag-open mic sa ML. Paano siya mag-open mic sa live? Sinasabi ko lang. Ha? Ginalingan nga ni Satisfaction. Yun na nga eh. Galing ng bark ni Satisfaction. As in. 10 out of 10. I don't know what to say, bruh. Nagulat nga ako eh. Speechless nga eh. Usually natatawa ako. Pero that one, nagulat ako. Kapampangan ka ba? Yes, Kapampangan ako. Ready na ako for Let me play music ng konti. Hello guys, welcome to IG Rate. Please drop down your Instagram and let me rate your Instagram. Siya, di ba nagsasalitan? Oo nga, nagsalita si Polly sa live ko ata dati, no? Hindi ba? Sample nga. Open mic siya week 1. Yeah, yun na nga eh. Nag-open mic siya in week 1. You love my piercings? Thank you. Thank you so much. Actually, nawala yung isang ko dito eh. Yung isang piercing ko. I need to close it na yan. Kapampangan accent challenge. Wala akong Kapampangan accent. As in, I sound super konyo. Wait lang guys.
Kaso, pabalik-balik pa din ang ilo. Bakit di sapat ang toothpaste? Switch to Sensodyne, ang #1 toothpaste brand para sa ilong. It fights cavities,
Nawawala yung earrings ko.
ilong protection, and advanced teeth cleaning. 9 out of 10 users na nag-switch to Sensodyne ang nagsabing mas effective ito sa ilong kaysa dati nilang toothpaste.
Nawawala yung earrings ko.
Ayos ba? Ayos! May 99 na Sensodyne.
Sorry, give me a
Try
sec.
now.
1 second. 1 second. Uy, hindi ako bumili ng earrings. Sino ba nagsasabi? Oh, that one. No, that one is stud. That one is stud. This one is earring. Gets nyo ba? Tapos yung isa, hindi naman nabubukas yung isang earring ko. Bad trip. Anyways. Yo! What's up, guys? IG rate na tayo. Drop down your IG. I'm gonna be super honest. Sana wag kayong magagalit sa akin. No, I'm not 23. I'm 19. Turning 20. Siya si Toph, diba? Nag-mic siya once. And once, Elora gamit ko. Legit, hindi siya nag-open mic eh. As in, pag pag nagsusolo lang kami, ano siya. Oh, you're talking to Polly. 23 siya? Hindi man, hindi siya 23. I think he's, turning 20. Happy advance birthday. Thank you. PJMRCS. PJMRCS. Di ba ikaw yung may kakilala kay PJM? Wait. Babae ka ba? Ba't di ka PJL? Let's see. Yeah, ikaw nga eh. Naka-private ka! Ano yun? Paano ba kita i-rate pag naka-private ka? Talaga, no? Pero ikaw yung may kakilala kay Jen, no? First year? Yeah, first year. Pero dapat third year dapat. Nag-third year na dapat ako right now. Sayang. Iiyak niya ako. Iiyak niya na to. How? Kasi nag-gap year ako for 2 years. So, late ako ng konti. Dapat, if nag-start ako 2 years ago, third year na ako right now. Sayang nga eh. Double it. Single or double it? Single. Ano yun? Let's be mutuals on IG said. Oh, pwede naman. We will see. Nagbulakbol? Ano yun? Thanks for the rose! Thank you for the rose! Willing malait ang malupit. Ano ba yun? Ano ba yung meaning nun? It means luko. Ano yung luko? Cutting classes. Nabe-brain dead na ako dito. Nabe-brain dead na talaga ako. Possible mag-college kahit di nag-senior high? Parang hindi. Kasi alam ko need mo yung yung grades mo sa grade 12 or 11 depende sa school. Pag magka-college ka kasi yung akin need ko yung grade 12 card ko. Can you do ASMR? Okay na ba? Okay na? Bet nyo ba? Okay ba? Ano po course nyo? VetMed? You sound like pek-pek, ano? Sino nagsabi nun? It sounded like pek-pek po, tsaka. Need to go na, Jinx. Oh, bye, Shan! Ingat ka. More ASMR? Nalilito ako. Yeah, dapat third year, pero 19 ako right now. Turning 20. Maaga ako nag-start ng school. I started studying nung 2 years old pa. So, early student ako. Pero na-late ako sa college ko. Because I took 2 years off. More ASMR. Hello guys. Welcome to my ASMR. Here with Sidra. So, do you guys want me to bulong, syempre bulong yung bulong sa ASMR, hindi ba? Ano na lang, bilhin nyo ako ng pagkain. Tapos, mag-ASMR ako. Yeah, I'm Einstein, so what? Okay, no, really, I started studying at 2 years old. Tapos, hanggang tuloy-tuloy na yon. Tapos, I took a 2-year gap sa college. So, kaya medyo late ako sa college. So, first year na ako. Hi, Sid! CJ! Hi, CJ! Hindi na kita nakikita sa gym. Actually, hindi ako mag-gym tomorrow, CJ. Dami kong chika sa'yo. As in. Hindi ko na alam kung anong sasabihin ko. Like, kung ano yung uunahin ko, chika. Pero when we meet, my gosh, I need to chika to you. Yan, check mo ulit IG ko, Sid. Okay, wait lang. Pete Rubens. Friends. What's the chika? I cannot say it here eh. Baka magagalit yung tao sa akin, you know? Wait, I forgot what's your IG handle. Kung sasagutin. I'll be there sa Thurs. Sige, maybe me too. Pero tomorrow, wala ako tomorrow. Kasi... Oh my gosh. Mga lalaki talaga. PJL. Okay, PJLMRC. PJLM... Mang sabihin ng magulong mundo. Okay, let me look for it. Yung napipigil ng nararamdaman. What are we talking about? What happened? I cannot tell it here. Okay, guys. Private life stays private, you know? Can you do whispering? I wanna do, mukbangs. I wanna do mukbangs, actually. What if nag-mukbang ako? Like another channel for mukbang and then kumakain lang ako tapos... Hello guys, like, kain na tayo dito. Kakain ako ng 1 kilo ng chicharon, 1 San Mig apple, tapos cigarettes. Joke. Let's go, Samji! Yes! Yes, bro, I wanna. Kailan kaya? Actually, we need to soon before ako aalis for college. Plan ko sana, let's hang out. Kahit chill-chill lang. Maybe I cannot afford libreing you guys. I'm so sorry. Pero, I can pay for myself. Siguro pag may pera ako, like, super rich, libre ko kayo. Can you, yan, next cravings niya talaga. Can you do tapping ASMR? Ay, hindi ko alam kung paano eh. Naka-private ka pa rin. Prince. Masarap ka pa naman, Apple. What are we talking about? Kasama ba ako sa libre mo, Sin? No, hindi nga tayo nag-meet in real life eh. Pa-request love grows. Love grows. Kasamahan ka kahit Apple. Hahaha. Apple, kakainin kita. No, I'm joking. No, it's just the apple. Actually, lately, I've been craving apple naman talaga. Alam nyo ba, 50 pesos sa Santa Ana for 100 pesos. No, legit. Legit. Brogan vocals, hindi talaga. Ante, yes, Chong. Halo. Gusto ko din ng halo-halo. Share ko lang. Dami kong cravings, no? Ba't hindi kasama sa libro? Yung alin? Di ba libro book yun? So, malapit sa Santa Ana. Maybe. Maybe not. No, it's just that it's cheaper talaga sa Santa Ana eh. Ilan cats mo, Sid? 1,000. 40K pusa ako. Kayo yung pusa ko. Joke. You've been Santa Ana, Cagayan? No, not yet. Tesidra, kailan huli mong gym? Friday, I know, Thursday yung last gym ko. Uy, hindi ka talaga public. Na-refresh ko, tapos private ka. Nagugutom ako. May halo-halo ba around here? At syempre, hindi nyo alam, no? Kasi yung halo-halo na napili ko with my friend, dun pa yun eh. Layo. Alam ko meron din sa Chowking. Baka bibili na lang ako sa Chowking, no? See. Ba't ang kiputi? Di wow, kabola-bola naman. Ba't kayo bola-bola lagi? Lagi kayo bola-bola. Sa Chowking lang alam ko na halo-halo. Oo, pero bet ko yung mais con hielo. Gusto ko yung mais con hielo. Ang layo kasi nun eh. Yung masarap na mais con hielo dito sa Pampanga, oh my gosh, ang layo. Nalulubat na yung PC ko. Close ko to, ha? Akin na lang jacket ko. No. Anyways, layo nga, pero masarap. As in, super sarap. Nagpass dun sa overpass or something. Ang daming overpass, hindi nyo naman malalaman. Ako lang, Pinoy dihi. Ano yun? Gawin mo hair color ni Alyssa. No, it's not my style. Gusto ko yung raccoon hair. Sana yung parang isang strand tapos naka-stripe siya. Raccoon. Raccoon tail, yung tawag dun. Pero I don't wanna color my hair eh. Sidra, why do you have a same accent as my friend? Siguro kasi I am your friend. Cosplay Mikasa. I'm not gonna lie. If I cosplay Mikasa, people are gonna call me a LARP. They're gonna call me a LARP. But like in a negative way. Kahit na they don't know the meaning of LARP. LARP is a live action role player. Pero, I'm just saying. They use it as a negative thing. How old are you? 16. Ay, 16. 19. Butang. Yan tuloy, nabibrain dead na ako. Can you tie your hair? No. Don't mind them. Sorry. Do you read manhwa? Before, yeah. Pero I used to read manga. Isa lang though. Tokyo Ghoul. That's it. Tayo mag-push up ka na ulit. I cannot. Kulang ako sa pagkain. Hindi kaya. Favorite anime? Ranking of Kings. Mukha kang 20 plus. Thank you. May nakikita haha yung paliparan. Okay, at this point I don't understand anything. 19 is crazy. I know, right? Turning 20 na. Favorite food? Favorite food? Sinigang, french fries, and forehead. Forehead daw. No, oh my gosh. Pag yung forehead ko na-reveal, bad trip na talaga ako dito. Means airport. Bad trip kayo! Imagine nyo, what if mag-ano ako? One time sa school ko, sumali ako dun sa trash contest. Yung parang, re-recycle nyo yung trash, tapos susuotin nyo yung as damit. My gosh, mga 2 hours namin ginawa yung dress. 2 hours lang kasi hindi kami nag-prepare. Nung nasa stage ako, napupunit na yung dress ko eh. Like, nahuhulog yung mga paper, yung mga ganon, yung sinusuot kong dress. Bad trip. Tapos, yung hair ko nakaganon. Naka-slick back talaga, nakaganon. As in, nakaganon! Oh my gosh! It was the worst day of my life. Worst day of my life talaga. Tapos umiyak pa ako ng konti. Kasi I was like, shit, what the heck? I look like an egg. Ang pangit talaga ng outfit ko. Ganon. Hindi ka nakasocks. Yan, hindi naman ako nakasocks. Nasa bahay ako. Ano ba? Natatawa talaga sa konyo accent. I'm gonna be aircon humor niyan. Define beauty. Define beauty. Beauty is within. Ano ba yung tawag doon? Beauty is within. Define beauty. Define beauty, guys. Define beauty. I think beauty is on the eye of the beholder. Oh! Shoot, bro! No, because like I cannot define beauty in general. I think everyone's beautiful, so I really don't care. But like, I'm just being honest, guys. Like, that's why I'm pansexual for a reason, kasi everyone is genuinely attractive. What does that even mean? Kasi alam nyo, yung mga iba, I'm gonna be honest. For example, for me, pogi yung isang tao, tapos dun sa friend ko, they will tell me, ang pangit-pangit niya. Like, so it really depends. I cannot define beauty kasi it really depends per person. Yeah, preferences, ganon. Pero siguro beauty is, pag you're kind. Pag pag kind ka, auto beautiful. That's it. Nanay Sidra, what's up? Hello, Nak. What are we talking about, Sid? They're asking me to define beauty. Shout out daw kay John Ross. Pero I don't know how to define beauty. Only thing I can say is beauty is, I don't know. Beauty. Wala nang mag-bark. Wala, ikaw yung last eh. Guys, kakain na ata ako. I'm so gutom. Beauty and a beat, I guess. Yeah, it is subjective. Kaya wala akong masasabi. Kasi for me, I can say like someone is beautiful pag they're kind. Or pag pag siguro sa type ko or something. Or if my eye just finds them beautiful, you know, like that, like, damn, this guy got beauty, damn, this girl got beauty, damn, this lesbian got beauty, you know, like, depends talaga. You should try Ramona's Flowers hair color. I kind of don't want to dye my hair. What's beautiful for others may not be the same for the other. True. Kasi, yun nga eh, sometimes naiinis ako when I say that this one person is like guapo. Pero mga kasama ko, they would be like, hindi, ang pangit niya. Okay, I get it. Like, pangit siya sa'yo. But like, I'm just saying he's guapo. Like, send mo ulit kay Ate Jen. Sige nga. 1. Okay. Para po kayo si Beauty Gonzalez. Oh, I don't know her. Pero yung pangalan niya pang pageant. Dati, tinry ko mag-pageant one time. Medyo hindi siya pageant talaga. Parang entrepreneur type of thing, like parang entrepreneur 1v1, pageant or something. Oh my gosh, hindi ako marunong maglakad. As in, height reveal, 5'2". I'm 5'2" lang. Pero as in, pag lumalakad ako dun sa stage, hello, hagdan girl, hi! Girls, pumili kayo ng guy na di kayo saktan ng physically, please. True. Do I smoke? No, I don't smoke. Pero I tried it before. All honesty, guys, I'm gonna be so transparent with you guys. I've tried it before. I don't like the taste. Tsaka, medyo mahirap. I cough after. It's good to have experience, but I don't think it's worth smoke. I don't wanna smoke din kasi narinig ko, magiging purple yung lips ko. And I don't want that. Like, it's already dark my lips. I don't want it to get any darker. Hindi ako nagve-vape din because mahal yung vape. Mahal talaga yung vape. Pero pag, siguro yung friend ko, hey, you wanna vape? Depends sa mood. Ilan earrings? 18. Do you cosplay? No, kasi mahal yung cosplay. Siguro pag may pera. You look 6'7". 6'7". Ate, may hollow blocks kayo? Parang, ano yun? Baka meme to na hindi ko alam, ha? Sorry, guys. Oh, dami. Dami talaga, madami. But may accent ka. I don't know, I was born with an accent. Wala kayong magagawa dyan. Lahat ng tao may accent. Di lang kayo sanay sa accent ko. Happy Mother's Day, ate. Dapat mommy eh. Joke. Yo! Tristan, what's up? Pag online selling, yung hollow blocks, ay ganun ba? Nabibraindead na. Ano na yan? What am I gonna, okay, at this point, I'm gonna bark 50 times because of that. Thank you, Tristan. Hindi, Tristan, ang bait mo naman. Ano yan? Walang bitaw viewers mo eh. You know, that's life. I don't know what to say, pero you're kinda right. But like, it's fine. I cannot force them first anything. Oh, Tristan, alam mo ba kung anong oras ba ay, hindi, tatanungin na lang kita dun sa sa messenger na lang para, kasi baka malalaman nila on where I live. Text na lang kita later because I have a question, like an important one sana. Ikalat nyo yan. Edi wow! On the way ako, coffee shop. What? What coffee shop? Wait, where? Yo, where? What coffee shop? Wait lang, guys. I'm kinda curious. Boyfriend mo si Tristan? No, he's not my boyfriend. Nakabawi din sa Thank you. Secret? Okay. Ingat ka na lang. Kasama? May kasama ka? Do game streaming sometimes, bro. I wish, bro, but like my laptop cannot handle TikTok's live, so hindi ko alam kung paano. Kamukha mo si Sidra. What a coincidence! I think kilala ko si Sidra. Oh, magkukul. Okay. Mag-cool kami. Okay. I think I know what that means. Wuluwa ka? I'm pansexual. Thank you for the gift again, Tristan. I will do $50 for you. No, hindi ko siya kilala. I'm so sorry. Ate Jen's life is her life. Hindi ako nag-ano sa private life niya. Digital footprint talaga. Kaya pa ba to, Marisa? Guys, chill out. I'm pansexual. I like anyone. Cute na part parang di aso. That's because like, oh wait. Ato kamo. You should look her up. Why do you feel like I'm sad? I think you're having inaccurate assumptions. Barking is crazy. No. It's because it's in exchange of the gift. Sabi niya, na-meet ka niya. Ex ni Jen. I don't think na-meet ko yung ex ni Jen. No, I don't think na-meet ko siya. Uy, na-meet ko lang si Jen once eh. Ay, twice. Sa gym tsaka sa bar ata. Paano mag-exchange ang gift ng mga dentista? Laplapan. Ate, paano mag-exchange gift ang mga dentista? Yun nga eh. Nagbubunutan. Hindi ko gets? Oh, gets. Okay. No one. Tara, atin na pa. Oy! Manahimik kayo. AI ba to? I'm not AI. Why is everyone calling me AI? Ano to? Joke ba to? Sorry, baka hindi ko lang alam yung meme, ha? Baka... Ayoko na, pahiya ako. Hindi, gets ko. Pansit ba to? Sid, try UK accent. I don't know how to try UK accent. Okay, wait. Ano ba yung UK? Canada ba yun? British, no? Would you like some water? A water? Wait, I forgot. I don't know. Are you half? Yeah, I'm half yours. Oh, did I say that? Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to say the S word. Scallywag! Laki mo na Parang dati sabay pa tayo What? What? Buti na lang hindi ko sinabi. Tanong mo siya, hindi ako nagsisinungaling. I don't think alam ko yung ex niya. Pero sige, tanungin ko. Gym na ba ulit ako? Why not? Coconut. Pag ayos yung diet mo, why not? Height reveal, I'm 5'2". Actually, I'm 5'2". A bottle of water. Jacket from... Guys, di sa akin to. I don't know, baka ukay to. Pero if you're going to ask me where did I buy my clothes, all I can say, all of them is ukay. So, really, I don't think mahahanap nyo yung clothes ko kasi ukay talaga siya. I'm not joking. I only buy clothes ranging from, I don't know, 20 or 10 pesos above. So sorry, guys. I know, mukha akong mayaman, okay? I know, I hear that a lot of times na sasabihin nyo, feeling ko alto. Yeah, I think I'm alternative naman. Konti. Actually, I do feel like it. Yung music ko, hindi ko ginagamit sa TikTok kasi it's not that popular. I mean, it's popular yung mga iba, like the mainstream ones. Pero yung mga favorite ko, pag ginagamit ko dito sa TikTok, it's not blowing. So, you know. Hindi ako gatekeeper, Pwede ako suggest ng songs if gusto nyo. Swear to God, I want them to grow. Pero nag-disband na ata yung group na yun, yung favorite ko, yung The Paper Melody. Dati, I used to listen to them when they had like 7 viewers, bro. Tapos bigla na lang nag-reach ng 10K viewers ngayon. I'm so happy for them, pero hindi na sila nagpro-produce ng music, sayang. The Paper Melody. Check the Paper Melody. It's my favorite. Desperate and lonely, she's dead in despair. She moans and she groans in the deathly still air. Ganon yung yung beats. And then yung isa, I think Sabado is pretty popular. Yeah, that one is pretty popular. Do you listen to the internet, Sin? What's that? Is that a music? Or are you asking if I listen to the internet? Wait lang. Suggested songs, Robbers by 1975. Nakakapagkabagabang. Steve Lacy's old band. I don't think I tried listening to that yet, pero I can try. Actually, yung songs ko very flexible. Like, sometimes I listen to OPM. Depende lang talaga sa mood. Pero usually, I listen to... Actually, depends lang talaga sa mood. Whatever I feel, I play it, you know. Oh nga, no? Oh yeah, guys, I don't think I can play tonight. Kasi, yun nga, matutulog ako na maaga. I'm so sorry. Pero after ng Monday, pwede ako mag-ML. Swear to God. Tonight, on Monday... Tomorrow night. Ah! Tristan! Ano yun? Okay, how many barks was that? How many barks was that? Was that like 10? Okay. Okay, that's 10. So that's like 20 barks na. Thank you, Tristan. I will bark for you 10, 50 times. Oh, that's 30 na. That's 40 na. Shut up na lang sa bark. Okay na. Thank you. Ay, ikalat niyo daw. Hindi. Wag talaga. Age of Despair. I'm 19. Thank you, Tristan. Ang bait mo. Tristan, ang dami kong chika para sa'yo. We need to talk ASAP. Ba't maaga ka gigising 5? Because may pupuntahan ako. And stuff. I need to enroll soon. 23 na yan. Hindi talaga. Maniniwala talaga sila. Yung mga iba, akala nila 30 years old ako eh. Mga iba akala nila 30, what more kung 23? Hawak ko pa naman page ng schools namin. Legit? Ano ba yung school mo? Joke, wag mong sabihin. Baka, ulok ka ba? Sana hindi. Guys, I like anyone. Guy, girl, lesbian, or bakla, bisexual, pansexual, tomboy. Anyone. So there's no need for factory reset. May half ka, half yours. Listen to Don't Jump by the Internet. I think you're gonna like it. Sige, I'll listen to it later. If I can remember the name. I don't have paper here to write it down eh. You tomboy? Guys, chill out. I'm not tomboy. I just act tomboy sometimes. Depende sa mood. Tapos sometimes, I wanna look feminine. Like super feminine. Play ka song. Lobat yung PC. Ay, yung laptop ko eh. Bark record. Makakalimutan mo yan. Okay, sorry. I have a bad memory. What can I say? Pretty baby in the backseat singing. Alam mo ba yung UST, University of Santo Tomas? Uy, di ba sa Manila yon? Mahal yun. Mga 100k ata. Tombits yan si Sid. Can you speak Indo? I cannot speak Indo. Katik. Or kantik. Ano ba yun? Kantik. Do you do glutes? Yeah, I do glutes twice a week. But nowadays, I do it once a week kasi tinatamad ako. Piminat. I don't know what's that. Kantik bangit. Kantik kamo. I think you did 500 duo. I did not. You're from Indo? I'm not from Indo. I'm trying to speak Indo. How do you do it pag sa house workout? Glute workout? Yung dati, nag-ano ako. This is not good, but I don't know if it's good. Yung dati, I did squats. I did 100 squats, but that's not really good. You can only grow your glutes if you lift heavy, is what I heard. Tapos sabi daw, you need to eat a lot. Kasi if hindi ka kumakain, hindi talaga mag-grow yung glutes mo kasi usually fats yung glutes. Usually fats yung glutes mo mixed with muscle, but if you don't got like fats, you're still gonna be flat. That's just how it is. That's why kumakain ako constantly, and also because my stomach is very gutom. Goth ba style mo? No, I don't think I'm goth. I'm not gothic. Yung mga traditional goth kasi, they have like white makeup on, tapos yung astig na eyeliner. Me when I lie? Lie about what? I love you, Sid. Ang cute mo talaga. I love you too! I love you too! Ako sayang kamo. Ako sayang kamo! Ano ba yung meaning nun? Ako sayang kamo. Actually, wait. Can someone search that? Baka it means something bad. Terima kasi. Terima kasi! Kain tayo bola. Ano yun? How old are you? I'm 19. O sa Espanya, Manila yun. Plano ko mag-college ako doon. Mahal doon. Pero sige, I heard it's good naman. I think, nag-graduate yung isang friend ko doon. Nice. That I love you. Oh, that's I love you. Okay. My half kasidra. Yeah, half Syrian. And why you... why you sitting like the guy from Death Mode? CL? Guys, ang comfortable talaga ng upo neto. Like, as in, sometimes kumakain ako, nakaganyan, or sometimes nakataas yung pa ako. I'm so sorry, pero nasanay na talaga ako. Sometimes, pag nasa ningnangan ako, tinatanong ko yung mga friends ko if I can put one leg up. Siyempre, pag in public, tinatanong ko yung friends ko if okay lang ba sa kanila. Usually, it's fine naman sa kanila. So, yeah. Ano religion mo po? I'm agnostic. Is it comfy, bro? Yeah, it's so comfy. Like, look at me. Sid, lagi taas pa. Totoo! I really like it. Yung mga iba sinasabi nila disrespectful, which I understand. Kaya that's why I ask my friends whenever I eat with them if they're okay with it. Kasi if ayaw nila, edi hindi ko tinataas. Anong haircut mo, te? Octopus cut. Tingnan nyo. Haircut ko is octopus. Kasi, pag nilagay ko sa likod yung long strands, medyo short yung hair ko. See? Nakikita nyo ba? Wait, I don't know if I can... See? Ganito lang yung hair ko. Parang octopus siya. Gets nyo ba? Or jellyfish. But parang walang energy. Sorry, mainit kasi hindi pa naka-on yung aircon eh. Tsaga gutom. Tapos, pagka nilagay ko yung... Ba't ganyan accent mo? Kasi I'm half. I'm so sorry. Tapos, pag nilagay ko yung longer strands, tapos blend ko, nagiging mas mahaba. Kaya, I like it messy kasi cute siya pag messy. I mean, I like it messy naman talaga kasi it fits my style. Pero ewan ko sa inyo, yung mga iba, hindi nyo get. Hindi nyo get yung mga iba. Hindi nyo talaga get yung mga iba. Kabad trip. Sinasabi ko lang na sometimes, bet ko messy yung mga... Tinatrash talk nyo kasi ako. Okay. Anyways. OA mo. Talaga, no? Anong itsura pag nakatilikod? Check natin. Ay, sorry. Ganon. Okay na ba? Pangit ba? Sanay sila straight hair eh. Di ka nga straight hair. Yeah, yun na nga eh. Yun na nga eh. Talaga. PBS lang. Tama. Sana ganito babaeng friend ko, Yapper. Okay, you can be my friend. We can play Valorant. We can play ML. Wolfcut naman yan, Sid eh. It's not Wolfcut talaga. Yung Wolfcut kasi, hindi siya... How do I say this? This is thinner kasi yung long strand ko. You see this long strand? Thin siya. Thin hair strand. Ito lang talaga yung mahaba eh. Tapos manipis. Yung sa Wolfcut, it's all... layered, parang layered na kung ano naman. Basta medyo confusing, guys. Mukha lang wolf cut. It's because my hair is very wavy and it doesn't really. But where's the octopus, bro? Sorry, I cut my hair like 1 month ago. I'm so sorry, guys. It was a month ago. Or probably 2 months na hindi ko ginupit yung hair ko ulit. Pero dati, It's an octopus cat. Do you play COD M po, Sidra? No, ang daming cheaters na doon. Ayoko. Hindi ko bet. Yeah, that looks layered. Yeah, I got it layered. I got it like layered and also octopus cat. It's like a mix of both. Kasi hindi ko bet yung parang straight na octopus. Gusto ko like medyo layered kasi pagkagising ko gusto ko lang ginaganon ko lang yung hair ko tapos okay na, aalis na ako, you know? Oh yeah. I'm so sorry, bruh. Daldal ko ngayon, no? Sorry, Polly. Hindi ako mag-ML din today kasi ang dami kong gagawin tomorrow morning. Can we play and be friends in ML? Sige, pwede. Pamiyaw-miyaw daw si Polly. Magmamiyaw-miyaw ka, Polly? If magmamiyaw-miyaw ka, invite kita sa live. Let me hear it. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. What's your IGN? Jinx. It's just Jinx. Jinx. I don't think capital yung J. Sid! Hala, si Sid nandito. Polly not a good boy. Polly is not a good boy. Ganda ng persona mo, te. Ano ba yung persona ko? Depende talaga. Actually, yung personality ko, it changes per person. I'm not joking. Pag kinakausap ko yung chill friend ko, chill ako. Pag kinakausap ko kayo, yeah, Jinx from LOL, yeah. Okay, guys, no. Hindi ko alam yung League of Legends before when I named myself Jinx. And now, nasanay ako sa Jinx. And also, my tattoo is also named Jinx because I believe in Jinxes. And also, Jinx is my nickname. Yeah, literally just Jinx. That's it. Ano ba yung benefits pag magmimiyaw ka? I'll call you a good boy. Joke. Ay. Anyways, yeah, my personality is like very, very mga friend mo yung moderator. Yeah, they're my friends. I just met them dito sa live eh. Nung una, ayaw ko ng moderator kasi akala ko pag magiging moderator nila ako, nabubulol na. Nung una, ayaw ko silang maging moderator kasi akala ko gagamitin nila yung account ko eh. Tapos, ayun, bigla na lang I was like, you know what, sige, tanungin ko yung friends ko, paano ba to? And then, baka ma-abuse. Hindi ko naisip yun. Inisip ko lang, baka kukunin nyo yung account ko, like as in. Like parang, ilo-log in nyo, ganon, ganyan. What's my favorite element in periodic table? Oxygen. Puro guidance pa naman comments sa TikTok. Ano po masarap? Nilagang baboy or kaldag ng tomboy? Kaldag ng tomboy. Dapat uranium. Why uranium? Uranium? Ba't lahat kayo uranium? Ano ba to? Parang nabibraindead ako Meme ba to? Is this a meme na hindi ko alam? Kasi you what? Anong flag mo na isa? It's Syrian. Syrian flag, tsaka Filipino flag. Ako, Budoy. Hi, Budoy! Memo! Brain dead na. Bro, slow. Sorry, I'm so slow. Blooming pagbuntis. Oo nga 6 months na ako. Papangalan ko yung anak ko, Mokong. So, yeah. 6 months na ako pregnant. Nakabalik ka na sa Syria, Sid? No, may war ulit. May war ulit sa Syria because of, alam ko, it's like country to country. It's just them fighting themselves. Kind of like protesting, I think protesting the kingdom ulit. Happy Mother's Day! Happy Mother's Day din sa'yo. Type ko talaga yung medyo boyish na style, babae like Sid. Oh, thank you! Guys, pero I'm telling you, sometimes there are times na gusto ko magiging feminine, you know? Sometimes I am feminine. Sometimes I wanna look, half foreigner ka ba, loading? I'm half Syrian. Sometimes I wanna look, masculine. Depende lang talaga sa mood. And what I feel that day. Today, gusto ko lang chill eh. What's your favorite element in periodic table? Uranium. Oh! I understand it now. Ilan earrings mo? 18. I understand it. I would rate that a solid 5 kasi hindi ko gets nung una. Sorry, medyo slow. Medyo slow talaga. What's your course? course ko, VetMed. Veterinary medicine. You know, na-restrict ko yung mga ibang comments dun sa post ko because they're so and for what? What year? Pero dito ka na sa Pinas lumaki. Oo, half of my years though. Half of my years dun sa Saudi, half of my years dito. Anong year na? First year pa lang? Dapat third year nga eh. Hi, Daphne! You mean, hi, Velma? Hindi ako nag-cosplay ng Daphne. Who's he? Who's he? Who's who? Nails reveal. Sharp. Sana when I go to school, hindi nila sasabihin na to trim my nails eh. Oh, ginawa ko to for 3 months. Ang ganda nga eh. Sid, tara OJS Gym. Libre mo ba yung daily pass ko? 300 yun ah. How was Saudi, Sid? Saudi is nice. I'm gonna be honest. Good place para mag-work. Pero, rockstar ka ba? Yeah, I think a lot of people think I'm a rockstar. Depende lang, I don't know. Pero, a lot better than PH. Not really. Alam ko, there's something with their government din na nangyari. Na para bang, alam niyo yung meme na yun, wait lang. Hindi ako nagsasabi ng na para bang. Okay, anyways. Back to what I was saying. Wait, kasi there was this time na mga humor na di ko inadapt. Yun nga. Na para bang. I forgot yung mga lines niya eh. Anyways, yung nangyari is, sa Saudi, nung nandun pa kami, yung government, they, as in, sinira yung houses ng mga iba doon without warning. Tapos they didn't have time to evacuate yung mga ibang tao because they wanted to renovate the place in Saudi para maging parang city looking like or something, I forgot. Pero it's bad kasi yung mga ibang tao nakita namin sa streets and then they're like begging na lang kasi nawala yung bahay nila. Share ko lang. So it's good pero it's not good din, you know. You look like a slayer. Englishera halata. I'm so sorry, man. Sometimes nabubulol lang talaga ako sa Tagalog eh. Pero in fairness, at least gumagaling na ako sa Tagalog, 'di ba? Alam ko naman hindi perfect yung Tagalog ko, ha. Yung grammar ko. Send Gcash, customize yung kuko mo. Eh di wow, sige nga. Ano ba? Libre mo na ako na 3K joke. How old are you when you came here sa PH? Parang nasa PBB ako right now, ah. Interview. I think I was 9 years old nung... Ay, hindi. Mga 9. Mga 9. I came here around 9 years old. Or 8. Either 8 or 9. It was okay lang naman. I'm not gonna lie. Pangit yung ugali ko nung bata ako. Sasabihin ko yung totoo. Nung bata ako, pangit talaga yung ugali ko. Immature pa ako. I was not a very, very sweet person. Like, parang immature as in, super immature. FNAF type lore. Yeah. Before, until now, hanggang ngayon, fan ako ng FNAF. But guys, like for real, dati, when I was like young, ugali ko, alam mo yung ugali sa high school na pang backstab, ganon. After that, around grade 11 and 12, nag-sorry ako sa mga tao na yun. I was like, I'm so sorry na immature ako dati. Yung mga iba, nag-forgive. Yung mga iba, hindi. And then, yeah. Mean girl? I don't think I was like intentionally trying to be a mean girl. I think it's because I was just so immature. To the point na parang hindi ko alam na mali pala yung ginagawa ko. Ugali ko dati. Ganon nga. Alam mo kasi, like, parang when you hear someone backstabbing tapos nagba-backstab ka, like, parang sa school ko dati kasi backstab ng backstab. If you understand, na parang, Yeah, it's a phase. Is it a phase? I don't know. Baka yung mga iba, they never went through it. But then I did. And I felt so bad in the future that I said sorry to, like, everyone. Kasi nakita ko sila. And then I was like, hey, did I ever do something bad to you dati? And then they were like, di naman. Then I was like, I'm so sorry if I did. Kasi, like, as in, hindi ako only child. Bunso ako. I just want to be honest. Guys. Oh, really? You had a pick me face? I think everyone had a pick me face. I'm not gonna lie. Ako din yung dati kong, personality. I was like, damn, I don't like pink. Parang I don't know why OA ako dati. OA talaga ako dati. Opposite ka na kesa dati. It's because, syempre, dati talaga, immature talaga ako dati. Syempre, bata ako, mga 9 years old pa lang ako doon. Guys, as in, super. Until now, I'm immature naman din eh. But, I think over time, I wanna grow naman din. Tsaka, I'm surrounding myself with good people then like sina Ate Ems and Tristan and they're really helping me a lot. Like, they're parang telling me what's wrong and what's right. Kasi sometimes di ko napapansin and stuff. Mukha kang artista. Oh my God, thank you! Ang sweet mo naman! Ang sweet mo naman, Vinsu! It's like posting performative stuff and shit. Oh, you were posting stuff like that. Oh, sorry, I said S word. Bruh. I'm telling you, it's fine. Everyone, I'm telling you, we were all immature. I think we still are. Everyone is immature. Kahit the older you get, there's still that bit of immaturity is what I believe. Anong oras end live mo? Siguro 10:30. Nag-enjoy ako dito sa inyo eh. Nagchichika ako. Tsaka I'm showing my true self. No, it's true! I want you guys to know the real me. Hindi yung parang fake na fake ako dito sa live or something. Ano to? Tita, move your clock to the bit. Oh, wow. Napansin mo talaga. Sorry. A little immaturity makes things exciting. I don't know. I think so, yes. I don't know. May halong breed ka po. Opo. Chihuahua. Grabe ang enjoy ako. Oh, thank you, friends. A little immaturity makes things more exciting. It does sometimes, pero how did you adapt sa PH culture, Sid? I don't know. Di ko man napansin eh. Kasi, I'm not gonna lie, I have a bad memory. Like, really bad memory. So, nung bata ako, as in, I don't know. I don't remember anything nung bata ako. Kahit nandito ako sa Philippines, I don't remember anything. But siguro nung una, actually, until now, medyo hindi ako sanay dito, ha? Wala kang culture shock? Parang hindi, kasi I used to study in a Philippine school in Saudi. Taran! Surprise! 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 New information galing kay Sidra. Yeah, man. Yeah. Pero at least I'm talking to you guys, diba? I'm getting to know y'all. Yeah! Kaya hindi naman ako na culture shock. I knew about sitting like this. I knew about sitting like the Filipino squad. I knew about the cultures naman din. Dati pa. Pero, yun nga. The thing that shocked me the most dito sa Philippines, okay? Ito yung na-shock ako sa Philippines. Alam mo yung pagkapasok mo sa house ng siguro kaibigan, tas kakain ka, hindi pala dapat you're not supposed to ligpit after mong kumain. Dapat iwanan mo lang. Gets nyo ba? Yung sinasabi ko? Baka hindi nyo gets? Yeah. Like when I'm, like, nag-visit ako sa friend ko, tapos sasabihin ko, i-wash ko yung dishes na lang. Tapos sasabihin nila, hindi, wag, upo ka lang. Na-shock ako. Until now, hindi ako sanay. Kasi, dun sa Saudi, pag pag nag-visit kami ng friends or something, tapos sasabihin ko, huwagasan ko yung dishes. And then they would be like, sige, tapos we're all going to wash dishes together. Like, medyo new siya for me, medyo new. Pero 9 years na ako nandito, pero hindi pa ako sanay. Nag-o-offer pa rin ako ng mag-wash ng dishes. Bisita treatment, true. Pero, hindi ako sanay because bisita treatment over there in Saudi is more like, I'll wash the dishes with you. I'll ligpit with you. I will do this with you. And then they're like, yes. And then we're all happy. But I don't know. It's different talaga. And it's not bad. I think it's cool. Hello, happy Murder's Day! Asan si Sansan? Natutulog si Sansan eh. Mama! 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 Oh, Sansan, don't worry. Go to sleep ka na lang. Nagla-live ako dito, Sansan. Mama! Mama! Ah! I'm not goth. I'm not goth. Pa-shoutout daw kay Kangkong Chips Josh. Yo, may action na. Nakakapagkabagabag. The Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. A peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked. If Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers, how much peck of pickled peppers Peter Piper picked? Oh! How about foods here, twin? Ito. Guys, gusto nyo ba? Content ko yung eating balot? Yan yung, what do you guys want? You want that? Donate kayo ng Galaxy, kakainin ko yung balot for the first time, ganun. Pero tinikman ko dati yung balot, ha? Tinikman ko dati, pero hindi ko talaga kinain. Kaya if ever man, try ko sana, kainin ko lahat. Yung ginawa ko lang nung time na yun, sinipsip ko lang yung juice, tapos, nagulat ako kasi medyo new siya for me. So next time, bili ako ng 3 balot. Okay? Tapos, oh my gosh. Okay. Tapos try natin. It's not juice. Akala ko it's juice. Basta parang may tubig may tubig sa loob eh. Tapos tinikman ko, medyo nalasahan ko yung dugo. Natural ba wavy hair mo? Yes, natural to. Sid, maging tombits ka lang, magbabading na rin ako para sa'yo. Kabola-bola naman nito. Si Kilikili ang nawawala, ate ko. Kinain mo sisiyo na balot? I don't know. May benefits yung balot? Yeah, I heard may benefits. Kaya next time, guys, bibili ako ng balot. Okay? Tapos, I'll put it there sa harap ko, 3 balot. Guys, isang Galaxy, kakainin ko yung joke. Pero yun nga, para makikita nyo yung reaction ko, legit reaction. Masarap yung may salt. Sige, try ko next time. Bilhin ko siguro tomorrow. Gusto niyo tomorrow, try ko na agad. What you think? Honestly, Sid, pag nanonood ako ng live mo, pinaparoonan hanggang matapos halos iPhone battery ko matagal na lumat. Oh! Thank you! Wag mong isabay sa energy drink. Noted. Na lang, tubig lang. Bukas lilipad ka. Legit, ganon. So, pwede ba? Kakain ako ng 3? Uy, magpapa-high blood ba yun? Sure ka? Nangangalamot ka ba? Yes, sometimes guys, nangangalamot ako ng ganon. Joke. Hindi. Legit, depende. Tubig yung ginagawa ko. Alam nyo yung sisip-sipin nyo yung tubig sa ilong? Like, tapos, ganon. Yan yung ginagawa ko. Pag inaalis ko yung kulangot ko. Totoo. Share ko lang. Taga saan ate, ba't di ka mag-fluent mag-Tagalog? Kasi half Filipino ako and also medyo pangit yung accent ko. May times na magaling ako mag-Tagalog. As in, tuloy-tuloy. Tapos yung accent ko, wow! Wow! You know? Be sure lang na clean yung water. Yeah, I think so. Di po nangangalungat. Nangangalungat. Nangangalungat! Ano ba yun? Sorry, akala ko nakukulangot. Ano ba yung nangangalungat? Sorry man. Ano ba yung nangangalungat? Sorry. Akala ko sinabi mo kulangot. Nangangalmot. Nangangalmot? Ano ba yung sinasabi mo? Nangangalmot? Nangangalmot ng ilong? Oo. Medyo itchy eh. Wait. Uy, kulangot. Joshua Garcia here. Sinungaling. Hi, girl. Fake Joshua Garcia. Fake Joshua. Sid, you again. Hi. Hello. Do you have rhinitis, Sid? Parang wala ata. Ano nangyayari kay Silita and Bananito? Wala natutulog na. Andito ang totoong Joshua. Andito na ang totoong Joshua Garcia. Kayo yan. Talaga, mga 132 Joshua Garcias ko. Anong squad name natin, ang mga betlog? Ano na lang? Seedlings is good. Or baluters. May alaga ka po bang kayong pusa? Yes. Mga 23. Kapampangan kasi? Yes. Manganta na. Lambo lang. Minano ka? Minano kayo? Ano pa ba? Ali. Diba? Grabe sa compliment sa amin, ha? Tinawagan na Joshua Garcia. Syempre. Do you know how to cook, Sid? Yeah, do you know how to cook, Sid? Do you know how to cook? Pampanganese are so good at cooking. Ay, bola-bola talaga na ito. Let me take you to this good coffee shop here. Ang sarap ng mga coffee dito. Ang lapot. Malapot yung mga coffee dito. Like, as in thick na masarap. Okay. I love how to cook, Sid. You know how to cook? What do you cook? Let me see. Let me try it. Ship mo na lang dito sa bahay ko. Lalamove mo. Lalamove mo dito. Kakainin ko. Rate ko. Valo, sabi ni Don. Pwede tayong magvalo, actually. Fried eggs, sinigang. Oh, yo, favorite ko yung sinigang. Sinigang. What the heck? Ang pabebe naman ni Sidra. Ano yun? Ano yun? Sinigang. Ba't ganon? Eh, kabad trip kayo, na? Sinigang. Hi po, sabi ni Chauncey. Hi, tour mo dyan, Sid. When I bet, let me tour you around. I'll take you to karaoke. I'll take you to coffee. Basta, ikaw yung libre mo ako, ha? Libre mo ako. Tour kita, bayad mo, libre mo. Sabi, you have a boyfriend na? I had a boyfriend before. I've had a boyfriend before. But parang, hindi ka nalulubat. Actually, nalulubat ako, 13% nga eh. Basta 10:30 ako mag-e-end ng live kasi kakain ako. Talent fee yarn. Yan, di ba? Kamukha talaga to ni Christine. Smart Eye Surveillance? Ano to? Are you a glasses selling, ano? Nagsisell ka ba ng glasses? Ay, hindi. Nagsisell ka pala ng CCTV. Wow. Yung energy ko. Akala ko yung phone. Let's go Valo sometimes. You already sent me a message request? What? How? Sinabi ko ba yung ano? Oh! Message request dito sa TikTok. Paano mag-avail? Paano daw mag-avail ng ano? Mag-avail daw siya ng CCTV, guys. Saan na? Uy! Ano pangalan niya? Kasing kalog mo din siya. Ano yun? Smart Eye Surveillance. May ano daw siya, oh. Bibili siya ng CCTV ata. Pin nyo nga. Tulungan natin to. Small business. Sponsor ni Sid. Di ko sadya. Sorry. Pero it's fine. Let's help people. Pag ako may pera, gagawin ko muna is bayaran ko. Tulungan ko yung mama ko. After that, papaaral ko yung sarili ko. After that, magbe-business ako. In that business, para may passive income ako. That way, tutulungan ko yung iba. Tingnan nyo. Kasi if gagamitin ko agad yung money sa mga iba, like without having like continuous money coming back to me, edi mawawalan ako ng money. Tsaka mawawalan din ako ng money para mag-share sa mga iba. You understand it? Get nyo ba? Ay, kabola-bola naman nito, Zenitsu. Te, alala mo ako, please. Te, naalala mo ako, please. Ano ba yung place na yon? CR? May tao sa likod. Siguro guardian angel ko lang. Do you have a sport? Yes, badminton. Bet ko talaga mag-badminton, guys. Tingnan nyo. Dati, nag-badminton training ako dati. Joke. Tingin ng racket, ha? Nasira yung racket ko. Kasi nasira yung racket ko. Hindi ko alam kung paano. Are you southpaw? What's southpaw? Sid, you're weird. Oh, thank you. Guys, that's the thing. That's the thing I wanted to say to you guys, okay? Because I don't want to be plain when I'm posting. Lefty. Am I a lefty? No, I feel like I'm ambiguous. What do you call that? Ambiturnals? Happy Mother's Day sa kapatid mo. Sige, sasabihin ko sa kanya. Ano ba yung tawag doon? Guys, tulungan nyo naman ako. Yung parang left-handed, ambidextrous. Oo. Orthodox daw. Oo, ambidextrous. Hi, Rio the Great. Nandito ka pala? Oh my gosh. Tingnan nyo, naaalala ko yung mga ibang viewers ko. Yeah, ambidextrous. Nood tayo ng movie sometimes. Panoorin natin yung panahon masaya pa ako. Sige. Libre mo ba? You still remember me? Yeah, I still remember you. What the heck? Yung names, I told you guys. I remember the viewers, like, actually. Like, si Shan, naalala ko din siya. I love you too. No, because legit. Parang, you know, like, when I see people from the first time who watch my live dati, I'm like, damn. Do I watch WWE? No, pero I can recreate it. Try natin. Give me a 1v1. Spark ko sila. Guys. Thank you for the rose, Dale. Dale. Love you daw. Ba't lahat kayo nagla-love you na? Love you too. 1v1 golem. Oh my god. Minecraft? Spar with Bananito? Pwede. Pag 5 million followers na limot. Eh di wow. Ang uwi na ito. Actually, sana hindi because like, yung memory ko, I'm telling you guys, baka magugulat na lang kayo in the future. Memory ko is terrible. As in, terrible talaga yung memory ko. Tanungin nyo pa yung friends ko, very nakakalimot ako ng things. Kaya sinusulat ko sa notes, kahit pag nag-fall in love ako, sinusulat ko sa notes. Pa-shoutout kay Eziel, pa-shoutout daw kay Ezekiel Palsia. You know me, Labal. Yeah, of course I know you. What the heck? You're my moderator now, and also my friend, and also my squad mate in ML. Notes reveal. No, my notes reveal right now is list of what to bring. Pag lumalabas ako, tapos yung list ko para stuff like this and that. Eh, tingnan nyo ang daldal ko ngayon, no? So, nakalimutan mo na pass natin. Guys, what the heck is this? Oh yeah, yung Doncha internet. Pasend mo na lang sa akin. Text mo nga ako. Check ko. Mother's Day pala ngayon. Kagalohan ko kaya si mama ng apo. Wait, are you saying you're gonna bembang? Wait lang, nabibrain dead tuloy ako sa inyo, yeah? Hindi ko siya gets eh. Tinatanong ko lang. Okay guys, mag-night routine na tayo. Night routine. Are you half? Half yours. Now I'm ashamed. It's fine. Love you, Ate Sid. I love you too. Sabi ko, mag-gym na ako kaso laging akong tamad. It's fine. Ako din, tinatamad ako recently eh. Workout ko depende sa target. Guys, bye-bye na. Night routine na tayo. What the heck is this, bruh? Aimly, we're not in for some selling contents here. Sell ka ng content sa ibang live na lang. Or create ka na lang ng live. Aimly, okay? I don't know. Like, come on, bruh. Bye, ate. Good night. Okay, guys. Brush na tayo ng teeth. I'm gonna end na. Kakain na ako. I'm so gutom na. Tingnan nyo, umiiyak na ako. Did you see the sad face? Good! Thanks, guys! Thanks for E! Okay. Oh no, di siya sanay naka-duster ako right now. Mapapagalitan lang ako kay TikTok eh. Okay. Let me spell your breath. Let me smell it. Come on. Ang baho naman. Ang baho. Brush kayo ng teeth. Nuyons. Kamukha mo si Janela. Sino yon? I feel like she's pretty though. Eat well, love. Mamba outfit. Isang good night lang, crush. Good night, guys! Ano ba yun? Good night, babe. Go sleep. Ano to? Pinin mo pa, no? Pinin mo talaga. Okay. Bye, guys! Lip balm na lang, oh. Bye! Anong ulam ko? Leftovers lang. So, iinitan ko lang yung food. You can see me? Yeah, I can see you. Bye! Mwah. Oh, wait. Isang good luck daw. Nga dyan, please exam namin bukas. Good luck, kaya yan. Ito yung advice ko sa'yo. Review ka 2 minutes before the exam. Or 5 minutes before the exam. Dati, yan yung ginagawa ko. Alam nyo, yan yung trick ko. Pero depende lang talaga sa, depende lang talaga sa tao. Kasi yung akin, pag may exam, hindi ako Bisaya. Pero, pag may exam ako, usually, di ako nagre-review before. Okay? I don't review the day before. Ginagawa ko lang, sige, 5 minutes. Review na. Exam time, tapos, ayun. Answer. Pero depende lang talaga sa tao. Bye! 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 Ingat kayo, guys. Good night. Mag-e-end ka na, ate? Yes, mag-e-end na ako. Bye-bye. Sleep well, guys, okay? Magsisleep din ako very early.